Hello everybody, my name is Ethan Porreca, and this is how to make a Falcons logo. Do you want your edits to look like this? Here's a tutorial on how to do so. So for step 1 here, you're going to want to find yourself a Falcons logo to base your project around. So for step 2 here, you can find yourself a nice blue background to match your logo. So whenever the image is inserted on top of your edit, you're going to want a 2-finger tap on the photo, and it'll come up, you'll hit order, and you'll hit send to back. It'll put it right behind your Falcons logo. So the third step here, you're going to want to hit insert and go down to word art. So make sure whenever you're typing in your word art, make sure to spell Falcons Flackens. That's just right there, that's all you need right there. If you spell Flackens, Mrs. Irwin will give you 10 out of 10 on every single assignment for the rest of the school year. So, there you go. So now that you got your word art in there, you're going to want to change the font or the color, so it makes it look nice. So change it to your personal preference. This is only my personal preference. Once again, spelling Falcons Flackens. So if you go up to format options, you can change your drop shadow to add a little shadow to your word art. Once you're finished, slap on your signature watermarks. Everybody knows who made that awesome Falcon logo.